So today on the show, we're going to change a door handle in the Generation 2 Saturn Vue. Just for you. Show you just how easy it is to do. My name's Clay with the Clay Way here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. Okay, since we replaced the door on this Saturn Vue, we need to replace the door handle. It's actually pretty darn simple. So we're going to open up the door. Right here, we're going to find a little plastic cover that's going to cover a T25 or a T30 bolt. In my situation, this bolt's not going to come out because it has little keepers to hold it in place. You just keep loosening this thing up a little bit, and then it'll be raised away from that. Then you can take the door handle, and sometimes you can pull it up to pop that off. But up underneath there, there's a flat slot. You can pop that away. Take this part out. If you're replacing this, you're gonna have to glue it back together if that cover came off the top like that one did. However, one of the clips broke on it, so it shouldn't come apart like that. But you could just glue it back together. Pull out the door handle, pop it like that. That'll come out from there. That'll release from there. Take your door handle, put it up underneath there like that. Make sure that you try to slide these parts in at the same time. Then you can just pop it into place like that. Then we stick this back inside here, like so. Open our door, and then screw down our bolt. And put our plastic cover back on. That's so water doesn't get inside the door. Don't over tighten this. Just palm your ratchet and snug it up. It's not going anywhere. It's not moving at 1,500 miles an hour, so you don't have to tighten it down like it's gonna. And voila. Bing. Damn. That's pretty cool. That was crazy easy, even easier than I thought it was gonna be. I hope you enjoyed this video. You'll consider subscribing, clicking the notifications, sharing my videos, and giving me them sweet old thumbs up. If you've got a question for me, and it's not baby mama drama related, you can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair over the Facebook Messenger. Just send me a DM. I don't collect information and all that BS. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first of you, and if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. God bless. Have a great day.